Welcome to Immersive Learning with Strivr and the Pico Neo 3. Because the Pico Neo 3 allows you to move around in and interact with a virtual environment, it's important to define a safe use area large enough to allow you to interact with the environment without encountering walls or trip hazards. Let's look at how to define the safe use boundary, and then see what it looks like inside your Pico Neo 3 when you near the boundary and when you exceed it. Each time you put on the Neo 3, you'll be prompted to set a boundary. You can choose Quick Setup, which applies a preset boundary, or a custom boundary you draw yourself. For active experiences where you'll be moving around, Strivr recommends defining a custom boundary, so select Custom. First, verify that the virtual floor is aligned with the real floor. If it is, select Next. If it's not, select Set Manually. Then lean down and touch the controller to the floor and pull the trigger. Select Next to continue. Then you'll draw the boundary. Hold the trigger and draw a shape around you that's about 10 feet by 10 feet. Keep going all the way until you reach the start point. You'll see a confirmation that the boundary is created, and then you'll be asked to confirm. When you do that, Strivr Immersive Training will launch, and you're ready to go. Now, let's see what happens when you near the boundary during training, and what happens when you exceed the boundary. As you approach the safe use boundary, the boundary becomes visible. And if you exceed the boundary, the pass-through cameras activate, showing you your surroundings. You'll see a message telling you to return within the safe use area or redraw the boundary. To redraw the boundary, press the Confirm button on the right side of the headset. It's the large button in the middle. Make sure not to press the Home or Back buttons. Those buttons might exit training, losing your progress. Then select Change Play Boundary to start the redrawing process. You can find detailed information about Neo 3 boundary setup at support.strivr.com. Thanks for watching.